Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we are testing this DeLonghi espresso machine after replacing this manifold. There was a leak right in the center of the manifold. You can't even see where the crack is, but it was right in the center here along the seam. And you can't see it, but it's leaking. And you can, if you look at the machine, you can zoom out a little bit, and then here, go in, and it's that valve. It's part of that right there, that piece. And then the leak was coming down. It was leaking down the machine and going down here. You can see a little water residue, and then it would come down the into the tray here, and then it would leak onto the counter. But now it's fixed, and let's go ahead and test the machine. So, thank you for returning with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.